So these images are trending and we are wondering how you can create one. No, don't worry again. I will show you how you can create one with just a simple AI. So without wasting my time, let's get into the video. Intro. Welcome back. So this is the AI. I have used this AI before. The name of the AI is Bing. If you haven't watched the first video, I'll put the link under the video description, or I'll paste it right there so that you can watch the first video. So if you want to generate a picture with this AI, you just have to tap on this image creator, and this AI can be used on two platforms, that is the app and the website. So I'm using the app. So after loading like this, you just have to type the prompt. The prompt is the most important thing here. The image is like a boy standing behind a car built with rocks. So you just have to type the same thing here so that the AI can generate the same image for you. So I'll type an African kid or black kid. So this is the prompt. I'll copy this prompt and paste it under the video description. So if you want this prompt, you just have to go to the video description and copy the prompt and paste it here so that you can get the same image I have generated. So after typing the prompt, I just have to tap on create so that the AI can generate the image for me. So it's creating. So these are the images. The AI has generated the image for me. Okay, so this is one. Let's check it out. This is one. You see the car built its rock, then the boy is standing behind it. Let's check another one. Okay, so this one is a girl. Oh, this guy looks very nice. This one is like a Rolls Royce, that type of vintage cars. Okay, let's check out the next one. I think they are generated 4. I'm sure. So oh, this guy is also nice. Let's check out the last one. Okay, so this is also nice. So if you want to download the image, you just have to tap on the 3 dots over here and tap on download, and the image will download into your gallery. So this is what I want to show you today. This is Raz Tech and Inventions channel.
Oyasin on